Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to install Styx Master of Shadows game for free in Epic Games. So here follow the steps. So first of all, open the Epic Games launcher and in the search store, search for Styx Master of Shadows and then click on this Styx Master of Shadows base game. And here you can see the game is completely free right now. The sales will end on 22 January 2026. So click on this get button. Please wait, it is loading your order. And then click on place order. Again just wait. And then you will see view in library option. So click on this view in library button. You can see Styx Master of Shadows game has been added to my library. So click on install. Again click on install button. And here you can see Styx Master of Shadows game is getting installed on my PC. You can click on this arrow icon. And here you can see the game is downloading on my PC. So by this way you can download and install Styx Master of Shadows game on PC in Epic Games launcher for free until 22nd January 2026. So that's all for this video.